What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So before we start today's video, I wanted to let you guys know that we do have some new tees on the website. It's a Style Forever Diamonds on a Budget tee, and it's a front print and it's printed on like an ash gray 100% cotton tee. We did print these at home, so if you guys want to go ahead and cop one, head down to the description down below. There's going to be a link to our website. So a couple of days ago I painted Blaine's fenders and I just let it dry just to make sure that everything is cured. So now we can start putting everything back together. His car is gonna look so good, but first we need to wash it because this thing is so dirty. So I was gonna roll down the windows, but I saw this super cool thing on TikTok. I know I'm super old to be using TikTok, but you're supposed to press the unlock, lock, and then unlock, and the windows are supposed to roll down. Let's see. What? Is it doing it? Try again. Unlock, unlock, and unlock. Whoa, it works! Came out good.
Can you help me? First day of school. Can you help me?
While the front bumper is off, we might as well go ahead and change the oil because that was one of the things that he had on his to-do list.
Oh.
This is the mentalist dipstick, I swear. This is why the fender breaks so easily. Now that the fenders are on, I'm gonna put the old bumpers on, just because these are fiberglass and the old ones are the OEM plastic ones. So I'm gonna see if I can find them. I found it. Never mind, I forgot that with the bash bar on, you can't run the old bumpers because the bash bar sticks out a little bit too much. So we're gonna need to run the new ones, but it's fine. I was kind of excited to run the old ones because those were custom made, and all the OG subscribers probably seen all those videos, but I really like that on Top Lane's car.
Alright guys, so we're gonna just kind of guesstimate where we want it to go. So I'm gonna start here, put a line. Oh look, it didn't even meet up. Oh, I know it looks like a mess, and it is a mess, but it kind of makes sense to us, sort of. Oh, this better turn out good.
I almost forgot the last pieces. Ooh. Okay, let's show Blaine. Can you come?
No. We're watching their videos.
Oh, Daddy, that was like this. I've been born ready before you guys.
Okay, don't look at this part. I didn't do anything to it. Just close your eyes to get to the front.
Close my eyes. Oh, it looks good.
You like it?
Yeah, thanks. It's shiny now. I might have to raise it because I think it's still too low. Either that or the tire's flat right now.
I filled it this morning.
Oh yeah? It's too low then.
It's too slack?
You know the vibes. You feel me?
Oh.
That looks good. Thanks, dude.
You're welcome.
It looks more of a car than it has been in like months. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good.
Like it's been taken apart.
So that's gonna be it for today's video. The car is pretty much ready to go drifting. The only thing it needs is alignment and then to paint the quarter panel, and then it should be ready to go. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, so much for rocking with us. If you guys want to go ahead and cop a tee, head down to the description down below and there's a link to our website. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.